You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane.
Hi guys, welcome to Art by Julie E, or welcome back to Art by Julie E. Today I just felt like sitting back and relaxing with some alcohol inks. I'm using photo paper that I got from Amazon. It's an Amazon Basics 5x7 photo paper. And I think that was a dot of black that you see blown out on the paper. I think I was just testing the paper. And to that, I've added a couple of drops of Kamenskaya, I think it's Deep Ocean, something like that. But it's a really pretty teal. And then that is Pinata brass mixed with alcohol in that bottle. And then you'll see a clear bottle that's just plain alcohol. Those are the only two things I'm using on top of that black smudge, which I think the black smudge was really pretty. But yeah, we're basically just going to fast forward through this first part because I gotta tell you, sometimes you end up with a basket full of man parts, which is what this ended up looking like. It looked like a basket full of man parts. But if you keep working at it, keep adding your alcohol, keep blowing that alcohol around, you're going to eventually get something that you're going to like. And yeah, so that's kind of the purpose of this video, is to show you, it goes through an ugly stage sometimes. They're not all perfect the minute you lay down your ink, so don't get frustrated. Just keep adding alcohol and keep, adding some airflow to it. Whether that's your styling wand, your blow dryer, or your airbrush like I'm using here. And yeah, we're just going to fast forward, and then we'll go to real time when the pretty stuff starts showing up. But you'll see these ugly little man parts sticking out all over the place. They really do add character to the lines and irregularities, which just create a really beautiful little painting, I think, at the end. So I'm going to shut up now, put on some relaxing music. Please grab a cup of whatever, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And don't forget, if you do enjoy, please do the UB2B thingies, the likies, sharies, and subscribies. They help us out a great deal.